This program is rated.
Science is the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and the testing of theories against the evidence obtained.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Romar J. De La Cruz from Bid2C. So, welcome to our discussion on the plant of kingdom. Let's explore the division of Talophyta, Bryophyta, and Tracheophyta. So, this is what I have learned. Please listen to me and hope you get the lesson. So, ang Talophyta ay kinabibilangan ng mga halaman tulad ng algae and fungi, which lack true roots, stems, and leaves. Karaniwan silang simple in structure and live in water or moist environments. So, ang Bryophyta on the other hand ay kinabibilangan ng mosses and liverworts, which have simple structure and live in moist environments. Wala silang tunay na ugat but have rhizoids that anchor them to the soil. And ang Tracheophyta is further subdivided into Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms, and Angiosperms. Ang mga halaman na ito ay may vascular tissues and true roots, stems, and leaves, allowing them to thrive in various environments. Ang mga ugat or roots at bulaklak ay mahalagang plant organs, which roots absorbing water and nutrients, and flower producing seeds for reproduction. And that's all po. Thank you.